the mood right. Too much Palo Santo. The crown chakra is the chakra that is the connection to our spiritual selves. If you feel like your crown chakra may be blocked or overactive, continue to watch this video and I'll show you how to realign your crown chakra. Tips and tricks for total wellness, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a video every Sunday. The crown chakra is the chakra that promotes health, happiness, and confidence. When there is a block in this chakra, you may feel energetically low, depressed, and uninspired. The crown chakra is the last and final chakra in this healing series. A block in our crown chakra can indicate that there's a block in one of the other chakras in our bodies. The crown chakra is located on the top of our head, like a crown set on top of our head. The color is violet. When your crown chakra is properly open and aligned, you'll have feelings of joy and fulfillment in life. You'll feel grateful, aligned, and your days will be full of joy. By opening your crown chakra, you're able to experience and appreciate the littlest, smallest moments in life. You're able to be grateful and stay present in the moment. On the other hand, if your crown chakra is blocked, you may feel restless, melancholy, depressed, bored, and disillusioned. It is completely normal to realign and refocus on clearing and unblocking your crown chakra from time to time. If your crown chakra is overactive, you'll feel disconnected to your spirituality, apathy, and have self-destructive tendencies. An underactive crown chakra manifests in confusion in what you want to do, lack of inspiration, and the desire to oversleep. Some physical symptoms associated with a misaligned crown chakra: poor coordination, chronic intense headaches, and exhaustion. Common things that can misalign your crown chakra is going through a midlife crisis, reevaluating your life and career, relationships, and conflicted family relationships. No matter the cause of your crown chakra being blocked or misaligned, there are simple tips you can use to unblock it, and I'll show you how. Tip number 1, and you should know this tip if you've been watching the series, is to use crystal healing. Crystals great for connecting to our crown chakra is clear quartz, selenite, and sugilite. Clear quartz is a great stone to get you attuned to your spiritual body, and it's great to bring clarity on what you want to do in life. Selenite is a great stone to connect you not only to your crown chakra, but your third eye chakra. This stone is known to push you past stagnation and forward. These crystals can be held, used during meditation, worn on your body, worn in your pocket. Whatever feels right for you, try it. You can also place the stone on the crown while meditating. The next tip is to meditate. Light healing is a great way to balance all of your chakras, especially the crown chakra. Envision a nice beam of white light coming in from the top of your head. This is a great way to unblock and realign your crown chakra. The next tip I have for you is to eat particular foods. Violet colored foods like eggplant is great for unblocking your chakra. Ginger and herbal teas. Peppermint happens to be the best option of herbal tea for unblocking your crown chakra. Try to incorporate this in your morning routine or right before bed. The next tip I have for you is affirmations. Affirmations are great to unblock any of your chakras. Some affirmations include: I am constantly connected to my higher self. We are all on this earth to make a difference. Today, I am open to divine guidance. This is one of my favorite affirmations, just to allow and be present and allow my divine power to just lead me. I am love, I am light, I am joy. I see the beauty in the world and I embrace it. For me, the crown chakra really deals with being present, being spiritually connected, and opening up all the rest of your chakras. There's a list of affirmations you can use to unblock your crown chakra. I'll list some more in the description box below. Another tip you can use is sound energy. YouTube has some great videos to unblock each and every one of your chakras, and I like to use that, especially while I'm lying down to sleep. Now that you know exactly what the crown chakra represents, how to identify an overactive and underactive crown chakra, and how to properly realign it, I challenge you this week to try to unblock your crown chakra. Right in the description box below if you're going to be working on your crown chakra and any of the techniques that you've used to help to unblock your crown chakra. Thank you so much for watching. This is the last and final video of the Chakra Healing Series. I had so much fun bringing you these videos weekly. I hope you take the time to work on your chakras. Until next week, remember, change starts in your mind. You change your mind and you change your whole entire life. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Until then, peace, love, and light.